Welcome to the 2022 Automation Fair event. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. This is the top show to come to if you want to see the best companies in industrial automation, and one of those companies is Fluke. I'm talking with Jason. So Jason, tell me what your company does.
I'm sure. So Fluke is an electrical test equipment measurement company. So we represent clients who need to make electrical measurements of all kinds, electrical energy savings, multimeter measurements, temperature measurements, also leak detection for gas leak detection. So we make all kinds of measurement products, and we make standards of measurement. So the standards of measurement actually can be used to, some scientific communities use our products for research and development because we are the standard in the measurement industry. Yeah.
And Fluke is a technology partner with Rockwell Automation. What does that mean for your customers? How does that help them?
Yeah, certainly. So Rockwell Automation employs technology like Fluke makes the measurements for customers and allows them to make measurements. But with Rockwell Automation, they provide the technology to actually save customers on energy. So they provide not only cost-saving measures for efficiency, but also measurements that enable people to use less man hours and also decrease of cost of man hours and make that much more efficient process. Is what we typically experience. Yeah.
And you have a lot of people in your booth. We had to really scoot in here to shoot this video.
Yes.
What are people excited to see here in your booth today?
So we have a new product flyer. A lot of the products that we've released revolve around power quality, also leak detection for gas leak detection, as well as some new networking products for network communications, which most individuals that are involved with automation platforms use communication systems. So we help troubleshoot those systems. So really, power quality is one of the big topics that comes up with our users. The reason why this comes up is because a lot of our end users don't have necessarily the time or energy to learn a user interface or new software development package. So Fluke has tried to make a very simple use device that's open or accessible to all kinds of customers and individuals. So that product really allows people to set up a tool and then connect up the tool, and then the tool will actually tell customers if there's a problem, and they can simply push a button to fix their entire wiring configuration. So over the years, a lot of issues with our customers is they have short time to do their job. You're limited in the individuals you can use. Just time's a huge deal. So, but also wiring mistakes. So customers, the number one thing we find with customers is that they make mistakes not intentionally necessarily, but they hook up tools wrong, sometimes because they can't read manuals, they don't have the time. So we've made a new product that allows customers to simply walk through a simple interface and push one button to fix the whole wiring interface and then start the measurement. So saving time considerably. And then they're able to capture the energy measurements they need for their system evaluation. Yeah.
And can you explain just briefly why power quality is important for those who might not understand its value?
Oh yeah, sure. So power quality comes in two forms as far as Fluke's concerned. Usually we have quality measurements and quantity measurements. So for some customers, you're paying demand charges, power factor charges, your billing rates change throughout the day. We allow customers to measure and then put a dollar figure to those charges, and they can reevaluate their system performance by employing Rockwell Automation products such as variable speed drives to increase their system efficiency and maybe not run their motors all the time, which can save a huge amount of money in the process.
Yeah, that's so important, especially with the workforce challenges everyone's facing and productivity needs. So there's so much more you can learn about the solutions and products that Fluke offers. So go to the URL you see at the bottom of your screen and find out how they can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at Automation Fair. We'll see you next time.